Good morning, sir. What made you think that was a good shirt to wear to court this morning? That's all you could find? That's all, the only shirt you had in your closet? World's best farter. That's great.
Okay, hold up. This man really walked into felony court wearing a world's best farter t-shirt. You can literally hear the judge's soul leave her body. And honestly, she's not wrong. Judges view courtroom attire as a sign of respect. Showing up like you rolled out of bed during a gas station snack run is a bad first impression. Be real, what would you have said if you were the judge?
No, it says, I can read it. I see what it says at the bottom. You're in felony court. You need to dress appropriately to felony court, and that's not appropriate. Did you get someone hired? I can't hear you. Who else did you talk to? I can't hear you. All right, so why didn't you call some others if they didn't call you back? None of them, I don't believe that for a second. None of them answered their phone? How many others did you call? I can't hear you. That's it. So you called 2 that didn't answer their phone, 1 that didn't call you back, and you didn't think to keep calling and talk to at least 3. You didn't try if you only did that. This isn't that hard. The point isn't just, you just heard me tell the other guy. The point isn't to play a game and act like you call and write 3 names down. The point is to actually hire someone. And you can't actually hire someone unless you really try. I'm going to reset your case for 30 days. You need to get someone hired, or you need to actually talk to 3 lawyers. And if you have to call 20 to get that done, then call 20. Start this week. Don't wait till the week before court, because they are in court. These are just normal common sense things. All right, step in front of the clerk. If you don't do that, the next time your bond will be revoked and you'll go back to jail. I feel like I need to start over. I didn't start enough. Naquinda Niclese. Good morning. Are you Ramiro Reyes? And Mr. Reyes was previously in court, entered a plea of guilty to the state jail felony offense of theft of property. I've received the pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes.
Any additions or corrections?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Did you read his version?
Not exactly. Yes. That's the version he gave to the police as well.
So if he didn't do it, then why, if it's, I purchased an item and then later that person canceled the payment and caused me to catch a charge of theft, I don't understand.
Well, I guess we could add some additions to his version. He was purchasing via Facebook through a third party, which is the information that he cooperated and gave to the Solomon Police Department. I believe they're still investigating that.
He was acting on behalf of the person. Had
Okay.
multiple people buy. It was a scam. Yeah.
Okay.
It was correct. It was a scam running.
This is actually a wild twist. The defendant wasn't stealing. He was unknowingly part of a Facebook scam. And the fact that he voluntarily gave information to police, that is huge. Judges pay close attention to cooperation. It can literally decide whether someone gets locked up or walks out with probation. Quick question for you. Should scammers target the buyers, or should platforms like Facebook get more blame here?
Through Facebook, he was a party in that.
Okay.
And we reached out to the Beaumont Police Department based on a Facebook post.
Okay.
He voluntarily went to the police
Okay, all
department.
right, perfect. Thank you both for that explanation. All right, Mr. Reyes, I'm going to find that you previously entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I am going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney and defer all proceedings for a period of 5 years. You're ordered to pay a $500 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. If you do that, then this is an excellent opportunity because you do not have a felony or this felony conviction on your record. And at the end of that probation period, if you're successful, the case gets dismissed. You'll never have this conviction. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court, found guilty of the offense, and sent to the state jail prison for up to 2 years. Do you understand? All right, I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. You need to have a seat here in the courtroom. Probation's going to call you up when she's ready to go over your paperwork. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you. See, is there a Miss Hawkins here? Julian Hawkins? Mr. Mack, your attorney's not going to be here this morning, but I need to talk to you about why you can't keep your drug patch on. Why can't you keep your drug patch on? Everybody that has a drug patch sleeps on it. All right? So this has been going on now for quite some time. I'm going to have you tested this morning. You've tested negative in court, but if you don't keep that drug patch on after today, if there's an issue and it doesn't get tested, I'm going to assume it's because it's positive. Your bond will be raised, there will be a warrant for your arrest, and you will go to jail. So you need to figure out, ask them what you need to do, but nobody has had as many issues as you with this drug patch. Do you understand? Have a seat in the jury box, we'll get you tested. And then on Jeremy Niedenthal, that's Mr. Kimmler's. He's not present, but said he would be ready for trial.
Judge, at a time appropriate with the court, I'd like to put a few.
So you tested negative. Do you have the patch on right now? All right. I want you to go get it changed. I do not want it to look like that the next time you go in there. If you have to put something else around it, then that's what you need to do. Wrap it in a ace bandit. I don't care what you have to do. But that one's probably not going to be testable just like the rest of them. So this is your last option to have one that looks like that. Figure it out or your bond's going to be raised.
This judge is done with excuses about the drug patch. You can hear the shift. This is no longer a friendly reminder. It's the final warning before the bond goes up and jail becomes the new home address. Drug patches are used when courts suspect tampering or repeated drug use. So when someone can't keep it on, it raises every red flag. What do you think, genuine? Bad luck or suspiciously convenient timing?
Understand? Step in front of, you don't need to get reset, right? Stay in touch with Mr. Kimmler, and then we'll see you back at your next court date. You're free to go.
Here, Crenshaw. I was trying to get a court-appointed attorney.
What other two did you talk to? You actually talked to those people?
Talked to Crenshaw's office, but I couldn't get a hold of him. And he was supposed to call me back, but I thought I was going to get a court-appointed attorney.
Well, when you were here last time, I told you you had to work on trying to hire your own lawyer, and you needed to actually speak with 3 lawyers.
Yes, ma'am.
So, where's this Mitchell Woods?
I didn't speak to him. I just spoke to the one, but I thought I was supposed to bring 3 attorneys up here for you.
No, it's not just I'm going to write down 3 names. I said go talk to 3 attorneys, at least 3 attorneys, and try to hire them. It's not just I'm going to give you 30 days and you come back and you write down some names, because Mitchell Woods is probably Clint Mitchell Woods, who is a judge down the hall. So you didn't talk to him as a lawyer. Brack Jones has been retired for many, many years, doesn't practice law. So you didn't do what I asked you to do. Hang on. You didn't do what I asked you to do. And so the result of that is I could put you in jail for not following the court order. It's not just a game to go say I did what you told me to, because you didn't. I'm going to reset your case for 30 days. You need to try to hire a lawyer. If you don't hire one, you better start calling this week actual lawyers that practice law and make appointments and visit with them. All right, because I've been here a long time. I know who the lawyers are around here, so you're not going to get one over me by just writing down some names. Step in front of the clerk and get the reset notice. Good morning, you're Eric Fornells. And Mr. Fornells, did you get someone hired?
I did not get anybody hired. I did talk to 3 different lawyers, and I'm still waiting on 3 to get back. The first one I talked to was Mr. Shalander himself, from Shalander on 5/6/25. He wants about $6,000. The next person I talked to, which I really liked, if I had money to pay for him, I would, it was Corey from Requel Law Firm. Really young guy, really good, really good. And actually his price was cheaper, it's $4,500. Then the last one that I talked to was Ben from Gertz and Kelly. That was on 5/22, and they want $7,500. I'm still waiting to hear back from Franklin, James Macon.
Okay. Thank you for I appreciate that and the information that you brought back. And so do you think if I give you one more reset, you'll be able to talk to some others and try to get someone? You're working, right?
I'm working at a convenience store right now. I'm usually doing industrial stuff, but right now with the pending charge that I have going, a lot of places are saying, no, we don't, not until you get something done about that. So unfortunately, I'm working at a convenience store, but I am working.
Well, no, I appreciate that you're doing that. I'll have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Fornells, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You just fill it out accurately and completely. I'll take a look at it, and you're going to swear under oath that it's all true, so don't just leave things blank. Make sure you fill it out completely. Step in front of the clerk. Good morning, ma'am. Are you Kelly McBride? And Ms. McBride, Mr. Paget has filed a motion to withdraw as your attorney. Do you have any issue with me allowing him to withdraw? What?
I don't have a problem with him withdrawing.
Okay, thank you.
Not at all.
Okay, thank you, I'm sorry. And so I will grant that motion and allow Mr. Pageant to withdraw as an attorney. Have you started looking for another attorney
Yes,
yet? So what I'll do, Ms. McBride, is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to get Mr. Samuel or someone else hired. If you get someone else hired before the next court date, I'm going to have you sign a reset notice today that tells you when you need to be back. Make sure you bring that to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable for some reason to hire Mr. Samuel or someone else and that's not going to work out, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 other lawyers. As you know, they all charge different amounts, have different payment plans. Bring me back the information and the names of who you've talked to. And we'll discuss your options, okay? If you'll step in front of the clerk right here, she'll give you your reset.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
May I be
you.
excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
Did you have that order printed or you want me to print it? I got it, I'm printing it.
Oh, I'm sorry.